Aries, this is your channel messages for the 11th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby. Aries, let's go ahead and go straight into your reading, Aries. Let's go. We're going to see who did you incarnate in this lifetime as Aries. Let's go. Okay, so there may be interruptions, okay? I'm just telling you from now if you're here, though. All right? Cool. Let's go. We have the Knight of Cups coming out first. Okay, Aries. So I'm getting a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio you might be connecting to. Or I'm getting something about a horseman. You are a horseman. You used to ride horses. I don't know if you were going to war from war. Yeah, you war. I'm getting used to fight war. But I'm getting way back in the old days, Aries. I'm getting when you used to wear suit and armor. Is there something significant about somebody being very short? It's like 5'4". You need someone short. Someone short as no. Them look short. Alright, let's go. What's your spiritual gifts? The Wheel of Fortune. Me getting you can predict. So me getting you're a horseman. Maybe you know if you read map very, very well. Me getting you know if you read chart. It could be compass. Is it that this is a map? Is a compass? Is a chart? Or me getting you know if you read this. It's like a pattern or a map or a calendar. Now this could be, remember the old days when people used to go war, them used to have this thing, like a chessboard, and them used to put the opponent's name and for them name there and them try to see like where the enemies going come for influence, for infiltrate each other. I'm getting something about you know for read. I don't know, this could be birth chart. But I'm getting you know for read signs. It could be you know for read signs and symbols, okay? What's your weakness? Okay, so your weakness is this woman. Maybe this is somebody who you're fond of or you're with right now. No, if this is not back in the days like the old war time, I'm getting you're from Britain. I'm getting you're one of the people who sit up on a horse and attend to the horse. I'm getting your work. There's something I can't read, but it's more. I'm getting is you have to know how to read it. Or it have to be taught to you. You can't just get this information publicly. No, your weakness is this woman. So I'm getting it could be your mother or your girlfriend. I'm getting you haven't seen her in a very long time. So maybe you have to wait a couple more years, months before you come home, come visit her. What's your strength? The Emperor. It could be your father. So I'm getting if it's your parents, you come back home from war. I see your mother anticipating your arrival, but your father not. Maybe you went off to war, or whatever you do, you are placed on a horse. Now your strength is you are a leader. You know how to protect, okay? Especially the woman who obviously is your weakness right now. So I'm getting you are a war. I'm getting you're like Kratos. But I'm getting you have one weakness and it's this woman. But she's older than you or something like that. How are you using your gifts to help? The Queen of Pentacles, another woman. So is either your mother? If this is not your mother, it's your girlfriend. We have two women here. I'm getting you one Israel soldier who are defend Hamas women. Me getting you're one soldier. Me getting you defend. You're not defend. You go rogue. Me getting you turn your back on your own. Me getting the plane where you take and go to blood clot place go shoot. Me getting you're taking the opponent's plane to go back in your yard. Me getting you protect you're protecting women who look vulnerable. Do you think black women are more vulnerable than white women? Is that something you think? I don't know. I won't judge if you think that. Or I'm getting something about you and your mother. Your mother haven't seen in a long time. Or I'm getting your mother have this weird ass spell upon you. Did your mother bind you to a horse? I am hoping that nobody has been masturbating off the horse. Okay, so I'm getting your mother distract you with this while your father over here with this woman. I don't know what this is, but me getting time, your mother and your father in the way of seeing who you want to help. Me getting you want to help this woman. Can Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Maybe your father want to help her. Me getting your father want to get her to offer you too far away. Or me getting you too caught up with your mother. How are you using a gift to destroy? Yeah. I don't know what this is. Cause me getting you under stress. Me getting your father want to help this woman. You want to help her, you have to go through your mother first. And apparently you're not going to stand up to your mom. Your father are going to take your place. Cause me getting you here to protect, but you protect your mother. Or me getting you get this new woman, you protect she. Okay, your father gonna date your ex. Cause I'm getting, you're waiting to go home to see her. But this other man, him have she. So maybe this is being hidden from you. One more, your outcome. Yeah. Me getting it's being hidden from you. You think you're helping somebody. Me getting you being distracted with this woman so that the emperor can help somebody else. Prophet. Mean girls. One night stand. Tell your dad's gonna beat you. And bright future. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.